G'day everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing. Today is February 17, 2023. This is the Bitcoin price update. You see here since our last update, it did bounce up and bounce off through from this key resistance area. You can see it more closely here on the 4 hourly and the hourly. And so we're stuck in this range at the moment. Now, it needs to break above this key resistance area to go long, or break below this support area to be able to go short. Now you notice here on the daily chart on the CCI itself is broken up through its moving average, but we need to see that moving average also turn to the upside to be more confident of bullish. So as well as it breaking above the resistance here to the upside, we need to see this CCI break and start turning to the upside as well. Now, slight positive in terms of going bullish. The Stochastic is showing a break up through the oversold area, but again, that's it's a weaker indicator than both the price action and the CCI as well. On the 4 hourly though, it has continued this upward momentum in the last few weeks or days, but you'll notice also the Stochastic is well over its overbought area and potentially going to turn down, so we may see some weakness in the short term. On the hourly chart, there was a divergence to the downside here compared to the price chart, and it's still again showing a weakness in the price as well. So, and that CCI is broken down to the downside as well. So probably hold your positions, whatever you've got there in terms of long or short. We need to see it break out of this consolidation area to be more confident about going long or short. To understand how to properly trade using the average down approach, reference the playlist at the end of the video or links in the description below. Here are some of my investing rules. Buy proven blue chip stocks only, avoid speculative stocks. The reason for that is blue chip stocks have generally got a good history and a good track record, and you want to avoid going speculative because you're not sure where that stock, especially if it hasn't got any history, you want to avoid making just guesses or gambling on potential trades. Buy stocks which pay dividends. The reason for that is if the price goes against you and you're not closing out according to gaining a profit in the short term, at least you're getting some level of income via dividends. If the stock price goes against you, don't short positions, go long only. So again, similar to the blue chip environment, if you're going to go short, you're basically speculating, and if you are going short and you have to pay dividends, the dividends will be paid to those traders that are going long, so that'll be just an extra cost in your trade. And don't trade on news. Price is already factored in the share price. If all the insiders have generally benefited from any inside knowledge of the news, and so by the time it hits the websites or the papers, you're getting late on the bus, so you're going to be missing out on any potential gains. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe and the like button and click the notification bell to get all the updates to the channel. If you want to support the channel, subscribe to the Patreon page. The link is in the description below. Happy investing, and speak to you in the next video.